Lab 2. In this lab, we're going to take a look how to create this bolt as you see here. Let's begin. Start a new part file. Create sketch and select the plane. Begin by drawing a center line, approximately 3 inches high. The next thing we want to do is take the line tool and make sure you turn off center line, because you can't draw a profile with the center. Draw a line straight up, make it 2 inches, just type in 2 before you complete it. And then in this case, we're going to end up deleting this one anyway, but I'm just going to draw it out. And this is going to be just drawn out as such. And we're making a little under area here for the head of the bolt and close it. Hit escape, delete the line on the top, and now you can move these around. Go to the dimension tool and dimension this line right here, 1.7. And if you're wondering where this is coming from, in the manual you can see the print right here. Okay, the next dimension is this little line here. It's going to be 0.1. And then this line here and the center line. Now be careful, don't select the solid line. It needs to be the center line, and this way it gives you a diameter. And we want that to be 0.5. And this little green line that we have here, click on that to the center line again, and that's going to be 1 inch for the head of the bolt. I'm going to hit escape, and I'm going to arrange these dimensions so it's not quite as cluttered here. Okay, now we have to put the arc on. So go to the arc tool, just a standard 3-point arc, click on this corner and that, and this vertex here where the 2-inch line ends, and then draw out an arc. Release it, and then hit escape. Now go to the coincident tool up here, coincident constraint, select that little dot which is the center point of the arc, select the, I guess you could select the center line or the line, and then it will align to it. And there we go. Now we could go ahead, hit finish sketch, and revolve. Now if we want, we could click on the little home there so we can see everything, and it looks good. Just hit OK. Should go 360 degrees. The next thing we want to do is we're going to go ahead and click on the little origin folder and choose one of these planes for the cutout of the head. I'm going to go with the XY plane and create sketch. Click on the front view orientation to zoom out, and you probably want to go to view and turn on wireframe. I'm going to go back to sketch, and now you can take the line tool, draw another center line, so select center line and draw a nice vertical center line straight up, hit escape. Turn off center line and click on the line tool once again, and now you could draw the little notch. It's going to close this across just like that. Draw one connecting at the top as well. Now we're just going to mirror that. Go to mirror, and under select those 3 objects, and then click on mirror line and select the center line. Hit apply, and it should mirror it over. Now we could go to dimension from this bottom edge of the cutout to the bottom edge of the bolt. That's going to be 1.5. Oops, I'm sorry, 0.15. 0.15. There we go. And then dimension between the 2 angles, right in the middle there, 30 degrees. And then dimension both vertexes, the corners here. Drag that up, that'll be 0.1. Now this could just be left floating out there, because as long as it passes beyond the extension of that extrusion, we're in good shape. Hit finish sketch. We could go back to view and visual style, turn back on shaded with edges if you prefer, and then go back to 3D model and extrude. We'll select those profiles. Now you can see it's extruding in just one direction, so over here we want all. And then click on this, which is both directions, and select remove or cut. And there is our cutout. Hit OK. Now put the chamfer on. Go to the chamfer tool, set it to 0.03. It should default to 45 degrees. 0.03. Select this edge, hit the green check. And that concludes creating the bolt. The thread is covered in the advanced class of exercise 13. Thank you.